So far in these videos, we've focused generically on modeling or assembling or something to do with the actual model. But actually the most important thing when you're working in product design and manufacturing is those output drawings. We get the model, we get our assembly, whether it's a part or a GA, we need to create our fabrication drawings. And in Fusion 360, this could not be easier because as recently as October, Autodesk added a magic button, which is to generate your drawings automatically. Now, yes, I appreciate that there's probably some tweaks and some modifications that you would want to make, but to get view placement and dimensions automatically on the drawing, whether it's a part drawing or a GA, is massive. It really, really can help speed up the process. So I've got the same assembly open that we've had a few times here. I'm going to go down under my toolbar here to drawing from design. And then I've got these two toggles at the top. I can, yes, create it manually, which is much the same as all of those other design tools that you're using out there. You place a view and you draw off your dimensions. But I don't want to do that. I want Fusion to do a lot of the work for me. So create me an automatic drawing. I want to use a template or not. I want a standard. I want some units. I want A3. And what's the BOM structure that you want? I'm just going to leave everything as default because I'm feeling lucky and press OK. Now, depending on the complexity of the drawing, this might sit there for a minute or so generating the actual file because it's got to go in the background and do some automation to generate that drawing. But the output is going to be 2D documentation with base views and projected views of your components with the relevant dimensions, BOMs, part list on there, so on and so forth. And it's just a drawing. Once it's done, that drawing is any other drawing. You can tweak it and modify it and customize it however you need to get that finished result. And if you think about what it's just done in what, 15, 20 seconds or so, and look at the output it's given you, even if you don't use that as a complete drawing, the fact that it's done that and it's done it automatically is so fast. So what we have here is our GA, where we've got our parts list, and that's all been ballooned and numbered for us automatically. I'm using a pretty generic title block. But then if we stick over here, we've got the different views. And again, any dimensions that are relevant, it's gone ahead and picked them up and placed them down. It's one button and it's done that. If I want to tweak it and customize it, I can come in and tweak that in any way I see fit. I can place different dimensions or control this in any way. It's a typical drawing, but the production of that drawing is fully automated. You've got a number of different designs, ping them all off to the service, let it process in the background, and hey presto, automatically in Fusion 360, we have drawings with dimensions.